Ema bite utarimo kwikonekita kuri training burya zageze burya zuzuye tugomba gutangira zuzuye apana n'igice turakutegereje we are waiting for you.
So you are going to share your screen, or shall we wait for Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make you as a presenter.
Okay.
Okay, make you as presenter. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, Emma.
Hi. I'm sorry, I confused the hours, the time.
No problem. Yeah, you done your assignment?
Yes. I did. The other question you asked me to use to sum the integer. Yeah, if I can share my screen, I can show you how I did it.
Yeah, now actually Dose is going to share her screen, and later you explain your project, okay, what you have done.
Are you already, are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. See.
Okay. I'll first start with binary to decimal converter. Yeah. As we know, before, if we want to convert a binary number into decimal, we do, if we have like 1100, yeah, we take from the last digit, we take 0 times 2 power 0.
Okay.
0 times 2 power 0 and plus 0 times 2 power 1 and so on. Yeah, that's the logic I used here, and then we do the summation of all this.
Right.
That's logic I used to convert the binary number into decimal number. First of all, I have an integer here which I call the binary, and then this one expo, I will show you how I used it, and integer, the decimal number, which is the output I want to get from this converter, then the scanner to input the binary number here, and then to do that, because I input an integer, in order to have this form here, I first changed it into a character array like this. character array, and then that character array, so that I can enter inside these arrays one by one and compute these calculations. So I did, first of all, I declare a character variable, and then I initialize it to that the string value of this binary number. Then I transformed it into a character, into character array. Then, in order to have one by one, I take this for loop, integer 1, I equals to 0, then I is less than this, my character here, with times the length of that character, depending on the binary number I'll be entering, and then I plus plus. And then this export here will be my 2 power something, depending on my binary number. So if, for example, here, this one here will be my export, then plus 0 times 2 power 1, then plus 1 times 2 power 2, plus 1 times 2 power 3. Then that's what I have. So my export here is this one. This 2 power something. So to do that, I take this function math.power. Then because I have the same base 2, then I take my character times length minus 1, because if I have this one here, I will start by this 1, but which is equal by power the all length of this string minus 1, right? Which is 2 power 3. Yeah, that's what I did here. And all the time this exponential will be times, will have the value depending on the place, or the place where this my character is. If, for example, I'm at 0, I equals to 0, this will be the all length I have minus 1. The length I have, for example, if it's 4, like here, will be 4 minus 1, which is 3, minus I, which is 4. What am I saying? Yeah, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. And then the decimal, which is the output I want to get from this, will be this the decimal initialized here, plus then this exponential here, times the character numerical value of each array character.
Right.
Yeah. So the output will be this decimal number. That's what I did.
Perfect.
I can run it and show you how I did that. Let's say, for example, I do 1, 1, 2, 2. Anyway, my decimal number is 12. That's the first one. The second one was string to array.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Oh,
Yeah.
Hello?
hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Are you listening to me?
Yeah, we are able
Hello.
to.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay. So, first
Did
of
you
all,
just go back to the previous example?
okay.
So yeah, here. mm, Yeah, here you are trying to read an integer, right? Binary.
Here, yeah, I read an integer here. Here, binary. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, okay, so why you are using string dot value of this thing?
I use this to change this one into character array so that I may be able to consider each character
Right.
one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because that is an integer, right? You use the string dot value of I, right? Okay.
And yeah, this one is an integer. I took its value, I put it in a string, and then into a character array.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the limitation here?
The limitation of this program
Yeah.
here, I didn't specify that this binary has to be, because someone may input whatever number
Mm-hmm.
and still the program will work.
So you need to put a condition here whether that's a binary or not, right?
Yes.
So instead of putting a binary number, if I put a decimal number here, so what's going to happen here?
It can work. I think it will do the same because there is no condition saying that.
So yeah, so you need to check whether the integer, whatever we are taking from the console, you need to
Yes.
recheck whether that's a binary or not. First thing, right?
Yes. Yes.
And second thing is if you are going to take beyond the integer value, let us say you try to enter 11, 11 1 and 5 ones and 6 zeros. So what is the maximum value of integer?
Oh, yeah. It has maximum value, so
You
I
have
can
to,
put,
yeah, you have to make sure that it should not be beyond that.
yeah.
So put those two conditions here to make sure that you did not miss anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Can
yeah,
I do it right now or I can do it after?
Yeah, you can do it after, no issues. You know the condition, right? How to make this,
Yes.
right? Okay. So just go to another example. What you have done.
Um, Another example is this one. Um, to change a string to a into an array of string. I had an issue here
Mm-hmm.
because okay, let me first explain what I did, and then I'll let you know what I had as the problem. Here, I first get a string, and then I can input it here, and yeah, then to change that string into an array, I use this one, and to split that by
Okay.
using, okay, I was trying to use this. I use this, just space with nothing. So after that, I can print out by that array like this by taking the length of this string array, and then output that array.
Okay.
So the issue I had when I am entering the array here, the string with space inside, I just get the first string I entered. Let's say, for example, here,
Excuse me.
this is,
Hello.
let's see.
Yep.
Yes,
Hello.
Can you hear me?
yes.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I lost connection on my computer. I switched to my phone.
Okay. Okay. So here really no issues. Yeah. You
If I do
are
this,
no screen, right?
yeah. If I do this, I get just this, the first one I just entered. But if I initialize this here, let's say, for example, and then it comes the way I wanted it to come. So I tried, I use even, let's say, I couldn't get the form, I mean the form of array string like this. I don't know why. I tried to, but I didn't find the answer.
Okay. Yeah, you try for no next line
Where?
instead of next.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Just this.
Mm.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can you use
just
next? It's taking only one character. If you use the next line,
oh,
read entire line. That's what it will do.
okay. I understand now. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, so we are going to share ask Emma to share her screen to explain other two examples. Sorry.
Let me stop my
Yeah, we have other two examples, right? Repeated character replaced by replace, um, set string in and string.
I stopped already. Can you see
Okay,
that?
you just right click on uh, Emma and you give as a presenter.
Emma.
Yeah.
Yes.
I stopped. Are
So
you
you
still seeing my?
no, we are not able to see your screen, but still it says you are the presenter. So that's why you give permission to Emma to give present her screen. Just right click
How
on
can I do?
and there will be an option to present.
How can I do that?
Yeah. You are able to see the attendees list there in the console.
Hmm. No, I can't see the list.
Okay, we ask,
Where can I find the list, please? Oh my God.
okay. Are you able to see the console here? Uh, there is option to share screen and all is right. So their attendees list is there for the attendees. Yeah. Hello.
Ah, hello. I can't.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do one thing. You share your screen. I'm going to explain how to share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Can
go
you
to
see my?
just go to the other tab,
Where?
first
Down.
tab. Yeah.
Where?
Just you
Here?
are. It's all. No.
It's
The
down
Done?
Flower.
one.
This Flower application is there, right? You just open this.
On my right?
Right.
Oh my God. I have this one.
Yeah.
I- Okay. Emma, which one?
Uh, can you go to the taskbar down?
This?
Taskbar. In the taskbar, we are able to see the
Down.
uh,
You see where you find notepad? Near notepad. Down.
Yeah.
yeah.
That's where I am.
So yeah, there you can able to see the attendees list, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing them.
So you just right click on Emma and present her. Click on web actually. There are two things are there, right? Yeah.
Okay. Can present and download request. Okay. Good.
I have to download it again.
Yeah.
It's a small size, I guess. Yeah, you need to do.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, but we are getting a sound from you. Yeah.
Yeah, I was using the phone before.
Mm.
Now it is solved. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Regarding the assignment on the sum of the integer, I created a class called the sum of integer only, and I created, I initialized an input size, and the sum I initialized to 0, and this is the normal thing we have been using previously. So here this for loop will help us to store each entered character into in this input string array. So I have created a method, a Boolean method to check if the string entered is numeric, so that I can do the sum of the numeric element only. So this method will help me to check if the input, like the character, is numeric or not. If it is numeric, it will do summation. If it's not numeric, it won't take the summation. So I have used it here after assigning the first entered character here in input string 0. So if this input string 0 is numeric, so this condition, if it is true, it comes down here, and we take this input string 0 and we change to character array, and this is the character array A. So we go through each character of that particular element, which I mentioned should be numeric, and to sum up character by character. So I did a for loop, int j equals 0, j less than input string I dot length j plus plus, and this will sum up all the numeric, like the character of the numeric element. So, and I print the sum of all the numeric numbers here.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's execute it and see. Let's say the size is 4. So the string So this is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10 here, plus 1 and 3, it sum up with 13.
But you entered 4, 5, and another string, right?
Yes.
String, yeah. What about that?
Can I continue to the next exercise?
No, you are going to check a complete string or character by character.
Excuse me?
Hello?
Yes.
Are you able to see, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah. So you are going to check the complete string. Is it an integer or you are going to check character by character?
I first check the complete element if it is numeric here, and after checking if it is numeric, if it's true, that's when I just take character by character here and I sum up those characters.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is good, Ima, and we asked for some of customized assignments yesterday, right? We have given string to array and binary to decimal, and that's what those explain. And we have other two assignments what I have given yesterday, right? Repeating the character replaced by uppercase.
Yes.
Did you done that assignment?
Yes. I just in 4 questions I have been able to do the 3 questions, which are the string to array, the binary to decimal, and the last one to search the demo words into a sentence.
Okay. 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 So show me the fourth example then. So we are going to we'll discuss the third one.
Yes. This is the class. I created search demo words with the main method here, and I initialized the input sentence as well as the Boolean class to help me to help me to find if the character is entered is equal to the word I want to compare it with, or the character I want to search, the word I want to search, sorry. So here when the input is entered, I use this found, this Boolean, this variable found, and I use input sentence.contains key, and the key here is the word I want to search in this input sentence.
Okay.
So, and this integer index will help me to know where that word starts in the entire sentence. So if found is true, I mean if input sentence.contains key, this gives the positive value, like if it is correct, it is true, I print the word key here is found at this index.
Right.
If else, I print like the word is not found.
Okay.
So the problem I got here, I couldn't be able to separate the sentence. What I have to do is to write all the sentence without putting a space.
This is demo.
So the word demo is found at index 7, but when I try to put space between the words of this sentence, I don't get anything.
Yeah, that's what in earlier
Yeah, that's what I had
right?
to. Yeah.
Use the next line instead of next.
Okay. Yeah.
Change it to next line.
To next line, like
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
just it. Oh, it works now.
Okay.
Oh.
So why you use both the functions here instead of that if let us say you just give another example, something like this is hi hello world. Just give that sentence.
Hi, hello, what?
Yeah.
You want me to use that sentence?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. See, what is
As
the
the
index?
key is demo.
Hello. Yeah. Right. But you are trying to read the integer, no index value of this thing, right? So what is the index here? We didn't find the key, and you are trying to read the index of key, right?
Yeah.
So it could be
The index
minus,
must be
it could be a negative
minus.
if it is not found, right?
Okay. Yes.
Right. So instead of putting these contains, if you can check, you can directly check the index of a particular key. If it is a 0 or greater than 0, then that string contains that particular key, right? Do you agree that?
No, I don't. I don't get what you're trying to explain. Emma, are you there? Emma? Oh, she's not there.
Okay.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we are able to. Are you able to hear our voice?
Oh.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
We are. Are you able to hear my voice?
Ah.
I don't think so. She was.
Maybe she
Hello?
has internet. Yes,
Hello?
Emma, we can hear you. Hey.
Oh, okay. I now hear you. I have a terrible internet connection here. I'm sorry about that.
Okay. No issues. So that what I'm saying is you are checking two conditions here. One thing is contains and second one is index of, right?
Yes, yes.
So if you learn the index, what is index of how it works. So if if you didn't find any key in the string, what is the value of index you are going to get? Try to print that index value there.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Oh.
Now
Key.
you can just hi hello world.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Can you hear me?
Now we can hear you. Just
Execute the program. No. You just give hi hello world.
yeah.
So what is the index
This
value?
minus
-1, right?
Why not?
one.
So yeah, if you didn't find the word particular word in the sentence, then the index value is negative value -1, right? So
Yeah.
you didn't need to mention contains here. Only thing is you need to check the index value whether it's 0 or greater than that.
I can't get what you are saying. Can you come again?
Actually, you are trying to use the two functions here, right? The contains and index of.
Yes.
What I'm saying is you didn't need to use the contains here. Instead of that, index of will work smoothly,
Oh,
right? This is index of also is going to check whether string the particular word is there or not, right?
oh, okay.
Yes.
Right. Found is a key. Found is a Boolean value. You are trying.
Yeah.
It's integer. Give index there. Instead of found, you just give index there.
Yeah.
In. Right. Okay. So now here you put a condition here. A found as greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, this is what I'm writing. You just delete that index, the print statement there above the condition. Now you try to execute and check.
What are you displaying? Oh, okay.
I have to display the index here.
Found.
Found.
That's found.
Found. Yes, found.
That's found. Mm.
Let me try to execute and put hi hello world. Oh, okay.
Right.
now makes sense.
Okay, so done. This is good actually. I know the program what the logic what you used absolutely works fine, and the program what you have done is good. But you can use optimization in your code sense, stating that how we can use in a single command. How can we retrieve the code, right? So instead of that, we can put a single statement. You are going to
Yes.
get right. Yeah. Yeah, those you have done that another example about what we are checking the third example. Repeated
That
character
one,
is
I tried, I couldn't get some
okay.
because
Okay,
it's the last, I did it at last and I think if I get more time, I can do it, but I tried, but I couldn't be able to do that today.
sure. Okay, so do you want some more time to work on this, or you want me to do and explain you how that works?
You can explain us?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, give me the presenter here, so I will work on that. No issues.
Hello.
Yes, Emma. Did you make Pavan as a presenter?
I think I did.
No,
I
still able to see your screen.
it's still in your
Oh,
screen.
I thought I've done it.
Mm.
Do you remember how we did it, Dulce?
Yeah, you go on your right. You see this small thing. I mean, it's like another window.
Yes.
There is attendees,
Yeah, I have
right?
attendees here. Yes.
You open it and you'll see his name and right click on him and make him as a
Oh,
president.
I was double clicking on him.
Mhm.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay.
Give me a moment. I just sharing my screen. Please. Okay. Did you able to see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes.
we are.
Okay. So we'll try to create a program here. Class, what is the function name? Okay. It's demo one. Click on this. So yeah, we have a class demo one here, and we have a main function as well. So what now we need to try to do is we need to read a string now here, right?
Yes.
So yeah, okay. Okay. I just try to. Okay. Ladder. Take a string and input one equal to in dot next line. Okay. So we are reading the string now. We got the string now, and now what we'll do is we'll try to convert it into a character. Okay, character by character, because we need to check each character by character, right? So example here it is.
Right.
Example is hello. Right. So this needs to be set to H E L L O
Oh,
N O L D. Right?
right.
So yeah,
L
here
must
L also must be. Yeah. So how are you gonna do that? How are you gonna do this?
gonna can create a
Initialize a character array.
Mm-hmm.
and then transform this string into character.
Car.
Initialize.
And write car
A character array.
Okay. Character array. Okay. Equal to new of char 200.
No. Car.
Okay.
yeah.
Give a number. Yes.
Next.
And then
Do a for loop.
Although
for
equals I greater than
um,
and
character
Input one dot length.
I plus plus. Right.
yeah.
Right. Input one.
Okay.
It lands like that. And then
Okay.
this A
A of I
equals
Equals
equal to
input one.
1
of
dot no input 1 dot
Okay.
dot character
Character
array.
I, yes.
Okay. So now we got complete integer into the character. So what's next?
Now we can try to find out the similar character inside, the repeated character inside this
Right.
character.
How are you gonna do that? How are we gonna do that?
I think we have to create another for loop.
Mhm.
So
Here, what we'll do is we'll use hashes here. Okay. So as I already told you, right, where we use hashes. If you, I want to check. I will put h as a keyword here, and I will increment the value. Right. So that so if index of h is there, so what is the size here? 1, right?
yes, yes.
So if index of e is there, so what is the value here? Only 1, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So if you use L, then the value will be 3, right?
Okay.
Can you come again?
Yeah, if you use the hashes here, so we will input h, okay? H and
Yes.
h character. H is not there, so we'll put the index value as 1. Okay.
Okay.
So if index value is repeated here, we will increase the value of index, right?
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense.
This way we can able to do that, right?
yes.
So you just tell me how to write the hashes here.
So we can initialize like a count.
Mm-hmm. No, how to write the hashes here? I mean, how to write the hash? Yeah.
Right hash.
Mm-hmm.
I don't-
Map. We'll put map.
Hash map. Oh, okay. Map.
Map.
Not a string.
String.
Okay. String. Sorry. String. Okay. Map.
Map equals
So-
hash map
Okay.
string.
Okay. Right.
Yes.
Why I'm getting this here?
We're gonna import that and even the hash map also.
Hash map. We are not getting this hash map here. So yeah, new, right? So we are trying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Done. So what's next?
And map dot put
Mm-hmm. We'll put the for condition, right? Int I equal to 0. I input dot
one dot
this place. Okay. So now what is map dot put
Then
input one of I.
Input one dot dot caret
oh,
of
that's
I, right? So
yeah.
the value here.
Input I.
So let's take I, right? So if you put I here, so what is the value it's going to enter here? There.
Zero.
0. It maps H to 0.
String to string, right? This is the character. This is the integer.
Yeah.
Right. Now you need to convert this to integer, or what we need to do is we need to put character and integer, right? So what we'll do is we'll change here, okay? Character and
Oh.
right. So what it says, why it's not accepting? Character. Right. It works, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me how we can achieve this. Okay, what we'll do is we will try to check whether particular map is available or not. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Did you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes.
What we'll do is we will try to check whether the particular map, okay, entry is available or not. Okay. Map entry. How are we gonna do that? How to check that particular element is available or not in hash and map.
Map.
Yeah, map. In a map, how are you gonna check a particular element is available or not?
If
Map that contains key
to I.
Okay, what we need to check? We need to check input, right? Input one dot caret,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
right? So yeah,
At I.
At I.
okay. That's the key available or not. Okay. If that key is available, what it's going to return?
It will take the
Boolean value, false. Okay. Returns true. Otherwise, it's going to return the false, right?
okay.
Okay. Now, now we need to increment this map dot key set map of, okay. So how to get the key from a particular hash value? I mean hash key. We have a hash key here. How to get the value?
It is
I don't know.
If we have a map here, okay, we have a map here, and we want a value from that. How are you gonna do that?
Get map
Map of, okay,
dot
and put one dot caret of I dot value. You're not going to get it like this. Get key. What is this key? And put one dot caret
dot
of
caret
okay,
oh,
dot if you use like this, we'll get only, okay. Right. So now it's we entered each character and the value here. Okay. So now what you need to check, if that that is greater than 1, then we are going to make it the uppercase, right?
Excuse me, sir.
one.
Yeah. So what's the
Go
question
ahead,
here?
Joe.
I don't understand. I mean, first of all, using this map dot put, we get the key. I understand
yeah.
the key, but I don't know why you use this map dot get again. This why? What is it? What's the output? Can we wait?
Yeah. I'm
what
gonna
is
explain actually. Yeah. So this is the string actually. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
actually, yeah. Okay. So now we are going to enter here h. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So if h is found here, okay. So what we need to do is we need to increment this by 1, right? Plus 1. We need to increment this by 1, or else what we need to do is we need to enter only 1, right? This looks much complex, right?
Yeah.
Right? Now you get it?
Why do we
If
have to
for
get one?
Sorry?
why do we have to get one? This one over there.
So yeah, if you didn't find the key, so what you need to do is you need to put the value as 1. If you found the key, then you need to increment the value.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
You got it?
I mean, this map dot get input dot character will will be a number.
Here,
Yeah,
this one.
integer.
Yeah, this will be a number.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, I got it. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, you both understand, right?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I
Emma, are you there?
understand. I understand.
Yeah, so what my intention is, so we have a string here. Okay, so
Yes.
now actually in this string, I want to put each character into hash. Okay, if this hash, if one character is available in the string, then I want to increment the value. If it is not available, then I want to put as one,
Give
only one
one,
character,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So let us say take one H here. Okay, H is available. H is not available here. It's not contained
Yes.
that character. So it's going to put as one, value as one. So again, it's
Okay.
going to check with E. The same, it's going to enter as a one, right? The same with L also. It's going to enter one. Again, if it is repeated with L again, so this contains that L already, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what it's going to do? What is the value of this one? 1. 1 plus 1?
2.
2. So now what is the how many L's are there now up to now?
2.
So,
That's what I just trying to check in a particular entire string how many
yes.
how many characters repeated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Got it.
Okay. Got it.
Right. So if you get that, so what we will do is in a for loop again, we will check whether that character is repeated or not. Right. In a for loop again, in a for loop, what we'll do is we will try to check each character by character in this character by character. If this is repeated, if this hash value is greater than 1, then what we need to do, we need to change this to
Uppercase.
right.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to do. Otherwise, you can able to check the count by directly query also. I mean, how many L's are available in this string? You can able to get that, right?
Okay.
From that also you can able to do that, but I am trying to using hashes,
Yes.
so that you can able to understand what is the purpose of hash, right? So that's why I just try to put an example using hash.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So you have both the things now, and any questions you are getting
No.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. So far it's good.
So now how are you gonna print hash? How are you gonna print hash?
How?
Okay, we'll take for loop I equal to 0. Okay. So
Yeah.
what's next?
And then
I less
I less
That's right.
than
dot
one.
1 dot left I plus plus.
So instead of this, what we'll do is we'll try to put the same condition here. Okay. So we haven't used this, right? So what we'll do is, oops, something is crashed. Oh, okay. Okay. So here we got to character by character, right? So now what we'll do is we will try to get the value here. Map dot get of here. Okay. If
Okay.
it's greater than 1, how to convert the uppercase?
Input dot
Character
dash
I
like
dot to
add to
uppercase.
This
can
is going to
focus.
work for character.
No, dot character you
How to convert this to uppercase? Just tell me, or else it will take as is. Okay. So now you have to convert this to uppercase. If it is greater than 1, I am converting to uppercase, right?
yeah.
So how to convert to uppercase, character to uppercase?
The character to uppercase you'll do character dot to uppercase.
Character dot uppercase will work. No.
Character dot
Uppercase letter.
uppercase.
This is going to work. No. This is not working. This will work.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
It works, right? So now what you need to do? You need to print
System data.
A,
Oh, 5.
right?
Oh, 8. 8. 8. Yeah.
Program is done. So we'll try to check any errors are available. Yeah. Okay. So I'm trying to enter. Hello. Oh. Okay. So okay. So this worked actually, but the character length I have given here, it is 200 or something, right? So what is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, right? Oh,
Right.
Right.
you get the program? Okay. Check it whether it worked or not.
It works.
Wow. It works.
Did you have any questions in there?
No, I don't have any question. I'm just happy
No.
to know how this
Please ask any. Because
to
this is a much complex program what I have written, right? So no, you can able to search the keywords and think whether it's repeated or not, and you can able to do that. But I use hashes here to get the length, and the length I am passing to cache, whether it's repeated or not. Again, I am checking whether it's greater than 1 or not. Lot of things, right? So do you want me to put
Right.
comments here?
Yeah, you can put comment because I had internet issues. I couldn't get some word you were talking about, something you were talking about, and we can review the codes and try to understand on our own.
So that's what I just asking, because if you didn't understand this now, then you didn't get, you will not get much logic here. So okay, what I'm trying to do is here I'm trying to read the string. Okay, here
Yes.
using hash map to get the length and get the repeated characters. Number of repeated characters. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. To understand this, I'm going to print system.out.println. That is going to work. Okay. So I'm going to print this as well so that you can able to understand.
Yeah.
Right. So what is the R here? Repeated only once. D repeated only once. L repeated 3 times.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is how I was inserting into the map. Okay.
It makes sense now.
Okay. Now I was here. If repeated character, then convert into
First to
Uppercase.
Oh, okay. Right.
if here what I'm doing, if not repeated, that means value equal to 1, then what I'm doing,
Display. Yeah.
print as is. Okay.
Really. Yeah.
So now in string output is repeated characters and not repeated characters as is. Okay, as it is I'm printing, as it is I am doing printing. If you want to convert it to lowercase, then what you need to do here,
Character
dot to
to
lowercase.
lowercase.
Then what we need to do here, then print lowercase. Okay, if not repeated character, lowercase. Right? Done?
Right.
Okay, that's all for today, and let us look for other programs tomorrow. Okay.
Excuse
So
me, sir. Can I ask one
yeah.
simple question here?
Sure.
For the map,
Mm-hmm.
how does it display like the value and the key here. I can see the space equals 1, error equals 1. It doesn't follow like the any order.
Order, no. The map is not ordered. It will not be inserted in order. Okay, there will not be order in the map, and only arrays and list, those kind of collections you will be getting ordered. But in hashes there will not be concept of order. Okay.
Okay. So it's just
what it's going to do is, if let us say key is a unique character. Okay, so let us say that's what I was telling in yesterday's example also. In a student class, okay, students, let us say students are available. Okay, in the students, I want to put his entire marks, okay, his address, phone number, everything as a value, but
okay.
his key should be his ID.
Yeah.
Student ID should be a key. Value can be anything. Okay, his marks, or okay, his phone number, okay, or his city, anything, whatever it may be. Okay, anything. Okay, so if at all I want to get the number of students, okay, to do as a assignment for tomorrow. Okay, so that you can able to understand, right? So
Right.
the student is there, and let us say 10 students available in my class. Okay, they are having in IDs like 001, 0012, 0013, 13, so on. Okay.
Okay.
So these are their IDs,
Okay.
This is
Yes.
actually, okay, you can take this as an array, and these are their IDs. They are living in a different cities. Okay, cities like London, okay, New York, Boston, okay, something. Okay, let us say take 10 students are there. They are living in 3 cities. Now
Okay.
I want the number of students who is living in New York. Number of students who are living in the New York.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Take any example. 001 in London, 002 might be in London, 003 in New York, something. 10 students, few of the students might be there in one city. So I want their list actually. You got it? So in like this also you can able to search the students. If you can put city into the ID now, then these IDs will override. This is not, you should not use in this case. Only if key is unique, then I want a list of students who is going to get. Let us say the value is marks. Okay, marks. Somebody get 90%, 92%, 95%, like this, right?
Right.
So if I want to get the persons whose marks is 95%, 95 marks, then you can easily get using hashes. If you use arrays or any other string, whatever it is, you can't get this. You can't achieve this. Only using hashes only you can able to get this.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? So you remember the case actually. in which case we need to use the hashes.
Okay. When
Right?
you want
Let's
to
try to
mark,
write this example for tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow and we will discuss about this. You asked for the validation of email validation, but we didn't get the chance to work on this today, right? So
all
tomorrow,
right.
the starting of the session, I'm going to explain the validation, how you do the not only the email address. Uh, you should in your in real time you may get lot of validations like there should not be numeric value, there should not be uppercase, there should not be lowercase, there should not be, you need to validate the email address or something like in lot of validation should be there, right? So we'll discuss about the validation of email tomorrow, and if you want to have any other example of validation, then yeah, we can do tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Any questions for today? You want to have this program? So
Yes, love to have
can
this program,
yes,
even
yes,
this video will be
can I
helpful.
there's this okay. How to paste this? You noted down or you want me to copy somewhere?
If you can share it on Google Drive.
Yeah, we can, but
It takes time.
we have some option for charting, right? I didn't get this charting here. Okay. Yeah, if I upload into the Google Drive also, then how you gonna get this? Okay.
Another way you can do is to send it by email,
Yeah,
if possible.
sure. I will try to use. Okay, I pasted this, or it might. Okay. Yeah. Tell me your email address.
Mine is MUHIMWE
Okay. Okay. W.
Yes,
W.
WE.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, MU.
Okay.
Can you go back to MU?
Okay.
MU.
Yep.
I'm trying to start over. MUHIS
Okay. Okay. Okay.
HHIIMWE.
MW.
E.
Right. Okay. Gmail.
Gmail.com.
Okay.
Mine is
Yeah.
mine is LA
LA
dot SA.
dot SA.
No, no, please. L no LAD. I started over. Sorry.
I didn't understand you. Your voice is very low
I'm
and
saying I'm saying please. LA.
okay.
No, just delete all SAA. Delete SAA.
SAA. Okay. N
Yeah, you can
L
delete them.
LASAA. That's it, right?
No, no.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying delete even A, and S. You can delete them. Yeah. Again, A. Delete. I'm trying to start over.
Okay. LAA.
LA.
Mm-hmm.
You can delete the A also. Delete.
I think your voice
You
is
can
low.
type Emma and I'll get it from her.
Okay,
No
then
problem.
that's fine. Yeah, I'm going to send to this email address. So you please forward to her. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.